So welcome once again to our data analysis class using Excel. So today we'll be talking about basic Excel formula. So we are going to be discussing about basic Excel formula today. So if you have interest in knowing how to use Excel to sort data and many other things like that, I think you need all these basic principles. Understand? So and this is how we are going to do it till we enter the main topics or the main work that we need to do in data analysis using Excel. So today we are going to be touching some simple formula. If time permits, we might be able to go through everything on the screen, or we might decide to divide the class into two. So if you check the screen, you see basic Excel formula, then you see basic math. Though these are not the full formula, I'm only saying that the elementary parts that as a beginner that we need to familiar with. You understand? And from my previous class, there was a place where I make mention of two way of actually working with Excel. Like you can make use of your menus, which is from the menu bar, or you can decide to make use of your functions like text using your keyboard. Now, today I'm actually going to be using keyboard, right? I'm actually going to be inputting those formula there. So I won't be using functions from the menu bar. Now, if you check, I have three um, elementary Excel fundamental that I will be talking like from our basic marks, then formatting tricks and conditional statements. So now let's check. Now from here we have summation. Now I've already have a column that I tag to be my results. Now as we all know, we know the meaning of summation, which is addition. Now the symbol for the addition remain the same, which is this. This is the symbol, which is plus. This is the symbol. So now let's say you want to sum figures. You understand? So there's an easy way or many ways that you can go about this. Now, for example, I've already explained what we call set description from my previous class. So if this is the first time you are seeing this post, please try and check my page. You are going to see an introductory class where I explain about cell description. So I won't be talking about set description today. So let's say for example, I want to sum this 100 and 300 together, this 100 and 300 together. So I can easily say equal sign. From our previous class, I've already explained that everything have to start from what? Equal sign. So equal sign. So I can easily say that C3, right? Then plus, so D3. Can you see it? So I can easily close it. I might decide not to use open or close brackets. It all depends. You understand? So if I click enter, then we have the answer. Simply means 300 plus 100 is equal to 400. So let's say if I want to sum 3 together, so maybe I can want to sum 3 together. I can say equal sign. I can type my equal sign, then open brackets. Then I can go to C3, see C3, then plus. So I can say D3 plus, then I can say E3. Can you see it? I can say E3, then I can close it. So I've successfully add these three things together: 100, 300, and 1000, making 1400. But other way of doing it, in case if you don't want to use this operator sign, you understand now, you can easily enter the functions. Like you are still going to use the equal sign. So I can just type sum. I can type sum, which is for summation. I can say that equal sign. Then I can use C3, right? C3. Now I can specify. I've already explained this, the meaning of this symbol there. I've already explained it from my previous class. So please go through all my posts. You are going to see it there. So C3. Now let me say that I'm summing everything from 100, 300, 1000, and 1500. So 2, I can put F3. Can you see it? Then I can close it. Can you see? Enter. So I've successfully add 100, 300, 1000, and 1500 together. So those are the basic formula that you need for your summation. So I don't want this class to be long. I think I have to be taking it one after the other. Stay tuned.